Hello everyone, I am welcoming you in my channel Commerce River. So today's topic is what? WB set will happen in December. For that you have to do what things? You have a paper 1 and paper 2 and you have to do what? NTA UGC NET exam is also going to conduct in the December mode. So 2 exams are there. While preparing NTA UGC NET you have to give WB set also because अब NTA UGC NET से आपका बेस क्रिएट हो जाता है एक अच्छा सा, सो दैट विल हेल्पफुल फॉर योर WB सेट ऑल्सो. एंड WB सेट फॉर what is the important thing for WB set? Why this video is coming? This video is for you, for your PYQ, because the conceptual clarity you are collecting from NTA UGC NET for paper 1, paper 2, that is very good. But for the WB set, what thing you have to focus? You have to go for the previous year question papers. And what you will do? Just go to their website and click on the previous year question paper of paper 1 and paper 2, whatever is your paper 2, and take a printout of that all the papers. Take the printout of all that papers, and after taking the printout of that, you will see take one paper in a week. You have to take 1 or 2 paper. Okay, take your paper and solve with yourself. After solving the paper, you will see that what you are doing mistake and what you are correcting, and after that, that's fine, giving marks to yourself. And after that you will see all the 4 options what they are giving, and that you have to search and write in that on that sheet that this one is correct, this one is not correct, and what are the other options. You have to write and search something about that and write on that, and then in such a way you are going to solve your previous year question paper. So that is a very good thing. This type of strategy I applied. I have downloaded both the papers of paper 1, paper 2, and after that I did that, and 4 options I considered. I searched on the Google at that time, and then I have written there that this one, the answer, the conceptual clarity of the options also I have taken. So you will see in the exam mode is offline. That's why I'm saying you have to go for the offline creation, because you have to download your papers. You have to keep with yourself your paper in the hand mode, because your exam is going to be offline mode. You will see this is the OMR sheet. You have to see the questions and answer. You have to keep inside the boxes. This is the another copy they provide to you at the time of exam. So all the best for your exam. पढ़ते रहो, मस्त रहो. The third is the strategy, how you are going to sustain for this month for your exam. How to make notes? As you know, we have October, November and December. In December your exam is going to conduct. You can make notes now, but when you have to stop making notes, before hard work का कोई substitute नहीं है. You have to give your best for yourself.